Welcome back to Corvette Warehouse. My name is Jason with the YouTube channel Front Seat Driver. Today we are here looking at a 2021 Red Mist Metallic C8 Stingray, 13,103 miles, 71,995. And look at these colors together, really well done. Red Mist Metallic with the silver racing stripes that run the length of the car. Step back and get the full view of this. Of course, this one has carbon flash badging all around. This one's also a 2LT. You have the Trident wheels with the bright red brake calipers, paint matched mirrors. This one is a Z51. And as you heard, it has a really nice aftermarket exhaust. That is the Billy Boat exhaust on here. Has the chrome tips. But very, very well done. Sounds absolutely fantastic. And of course, it does have this smaller Z51 spoiler on here. And this one is paint matched, as you can see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So this interior is sky cool gray and black with the Bose speaker system in here. But I am a huge fan of the sky cool gray. I know some people, they feel like it looks dirty because of the perforations. I can assure you that most of the time it is not. But anyway, a very, very, very luxurious interior. And of course, you have the kind of oblong, squarish style steering wheel, which at first, when GM came out with it, my personal opinion, I wasn't a huge fan. But then I bought one and drove it and absolutely loved it. And now I wish they all had that. Steve, Protective Dad Pranks, filming me, filming this car. And of course, this one is also a coupe, so it has a removable top that will stow in the back. But let's take a look under the frunk. All right, so before we pop the frunk, I did want to show you that right here in the front are your two cameras, and those make a really big difference for me, especially when I pull mine in the garage. There's a button right here. You can see that. You're gonna press that, and it will pop the hood on the front, and then there you go. Plenty of storage for a couple of duffel bags, a couple backpacks, some groceries. You will plug in right here if you have a battery tender. So that's the front. Let's go look at the trunk. So to pop the rear hatch, you are going to reach down right here next to the rear camera, press that button, lift up, and right here is your trunk. So you have a frunk and a trunk. Decent amount of space. And of course, there is your engine bay. So very, very nice. You're also going to store the top here. It's going to click in this area basically right there. It will be fixed. And then that way you are safe to drive this and it won't be flying around in the back. This car is available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.